students, welcome back again to our science videos, and this is the respiratory system. You already have a full idea about the respiratory system before, and I'm sure that you understand every single bit of it, but we need to study it again. This doesn't hurt. So how does the respiratory system work? Our bodies need oxygen in order to function, and we get oxygen from the air in our atmosphere. While it might be invisible, it's around us all the time and very important to our bodies. We cannot store extra oxygen in our body, so we must constantly take in new oxygen. Take a deep breath. When you breathe in or inhale, air rushes in through your nose and mouth and down your throat. From there, the air travels down your trachea into your lungs. Your lungs fill up like two balloons. Now what? Inside the lungs, air passages are divided into smaller and smaller passages. Look at this. That look like the branches of a tree. At the ends of these tubes are the alveoli. They are little sacs surrounded by blood vessels. It's here that oxygen moves into your bloodstream. So here happens the exchange of gases. Oxygen moves into the bloodstream, and carbon dioxide, on the opposite, it comes out through the alveoli to your trachea, then to your mouth, and it's expelled out of your body. The process of using oxygen from the air, it creates a waste product, which is carbon dioxide, as we have already mentioned. This gas is harmful to our bodies if it builds up. When you breathe out or exhale, when you give out air, your body expels the carbon dioxide back into the air through your mouth and nose. The motion of inhaling and exhaling is directed by a large muscle at the base of your ribs, the diaphragm. As you inhale, the diaphragm shrinks or contracts and moves downward. This lets your lungs expand and fill up. As you give out air, the diaphragm expands and moves up, pushing air out of your lungs. All of these processes and activities happen inside your body without you have to think about them. You don't even think about them. You don't even worry, because they all happen, which means in an involuntary way. You don't control these. You don't even think about these. Have you ever asked yourself how fish breathe? Unlike humans, fish do not breathe using lungs. Fish use gills to take oxygen out of the water and release carbon dioxide. Gills are found on the sides of the fish's head. Water enters the mouth of fish and passes across the gills. Just like in our lungs, blood vessels then carry oxygen to the rest of the body. Gills are unique structural adaptations that allow fish to live and breathe underwater. How do you think water pollution impacts or affects the fish that live nearby? Just as we need to breathe clean air to stay healthy, fish needs clean water to survive. Imagine if this water is not clean. Imagine those water areas where people throw their garbage in. Can you imagine the harms they cause to the fish or the aquatic creatures living down there? Okay. Then we will have to move to the next part. I hope you enjoyed this useful information. I know you already know this, but the part of that fish, it was, I think it's new for you. So the next video will talk about the humans, the change in the environment, the changes of the human activities in this environment, because some of our activities, unfortunately, they are negative and they affect the environment badly. So please take care of this and study your videos well. You can also find some sheets and PowerPoints and some other additional videos if you need any other help. You can leave your questions, of course, and you can always ask for help if you need it. Thank you and see you next video. Bye bye.